RedStone has achieved significant growth, with total value secured increasing by 6,000% in 2024. What strategies or innovations do you attribute to this impressive expansion?
Right, so for us in 2024, this was mostly about being in the right pockets of the market, which means it was LSDs, LRTs, yield-bearing stables, or crypto dollars like Ethena, for example, Bitcoin LSDs, and just doubling down on the things that really matter on the lending use case and the yield-bearing collateral that people really want to loop on lending markets. So that was kind of the high-level strategy for go-to-market. What has allowed us to do it on the technical side of things is the modular architecture that we have, which is easy to cater for new use cases. And this is exactly what we have done in 2024.
With the launch of the RedStone Distributed Data Association, how do you envision this organization contributing to the decentralization and security of your Oracle services?
Right, so this is probably the most important step we've done so far when it comes to the general decentralization of the protocol. What is going to follow is also adding more node operators. We've already have a couple in something that we call a guard program. But in general, adding more and more high quality providers is going to be the priority here for sure. And in general, the association is just going to be responsible, it's just going to be the party responsible to make sure that the decentralization progresses. So that's kind of going to be the center of it.
RedStone recently introduced the Red tokenomics. Could you explain the role of the Red token within your ecosystem and how is it designed to support RedStone's growth?
Sure. So the token is going to be used for securing the price feeds specifically. The price feeds are going to have some economical security attached to them. The token is going to be just staked by the node operators just to make sure they remain honest. And, you know, the bigger the ecosystem grows, the more secure the price feeds grow as well. We are also going to be utilizing restaking infrastructure just to make sure that everything works smoothly and the tech on the staking side of things is going to be always up to date. This is also an advantage we have over competitors who had to do their own staking themselves and then have to keep maintaining the system, is that we can outsource that to an AVS on EigenLayer and potentially other restaking platforms in the future as well. So this gives us the edge of actually being always up to date with the staking tech, and so that we can actually focus on the main use case, make sure the price feeds are always secure and there is more and more economic security just powering them.
What are the key milestones RedStone aims to achieve in 2025, especially concerning further decentralization and expansion of your Oracle services?
Right, so it's all about going about bigger and bigger clients and the protocols that really are becoming the most important pieces of the puzzle that we call DeFi these days. So this means dApps, this means asset issuers, this means chains that are just going to be the most relevant. So outside of that, I would say business as usual. It's just about being a more and more professional organization, selling in a more and more professional manner as well. But we definitely want to focus on what matters. And in 2, 3, 5 years' time from now, we definitely want to be the number one from all the oracles on the market.